Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here, and this is my last video for today. I've got one more unit to do the video on. I'm going to wait until tomorrow morning because that's the unit on which I'm going to demonstrate the use of a graphic equalizer to improve the sound of your 8-track deck. A lot of 8-track decks don't have quite enough treble due to head wear. Tapes also lose their treble due to repeated playings and wear. So it's a good thing to have an external device that you can use to bring some of that treble back and maybe filter out some of that annoying thump bass stuff. So this is one of two units that belong to Charles in Westlake Village, California. I also have a car radio going back to him, as well as two equalizers, because he has given me so much business that I decided to just give him the two equalizers as an extra tool to manipulate the sound of his 8-track machines. So this is one of his machines. Let's go ahead and check it real quick with Neil Sedaka tape.
Don't underestimate the traveler, never get out in the circulars, and we'll settle down in the say goodbye. That life's worth the living.
Okay, so that takes care of that. There's just not that much to test on a standalone home unit, so that takes care of that. Don't really know what to say. I'm not used to making such short videos, but I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio up here, and to reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because most, if not all, of your questions will be answered in the work order as you're filling it out. That's what it's designed to do. It's designed to keep me off the phone and on the bench as much as possible. I understand that even after reading the work order, you may still have a question or two. That's perfectly fine to call me, but please do that research before asking me about my options, prices, turn times, all that. It's all in the work order and on the website, and all you got to do is go there, and that'll keep me on the bench where you're going to want me when your unit is in my shop. You're not going to want me, talking on the phone all day. You're going to want me on the bench working on your unit. So please exercise that respect for the customers who came before you, and call me after you have a work order printed. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and again, as always, thank you, Charles, for your tremendous amount of business from the next state over, and we'll see you guys next time.